Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on iMessage. Apple right here does not notify you if you are blocked on iMessage, but you can confirm a block by looking for a specific combination of delivery and calling clues. Because features like Do Not Disturb can also mimic a block, so just to make sure, we need to look for these specific indicators. So first up, go ahead and open up the message, okay? So for example, you suspect that this person blocked you, you have the status right here, or read receipt status. So when you go ahead and send a message or an iMessage, the bubble stays blue, but the word delivered or read never appears beneath. Okay, if this one is not right here, well, that's one clue if you've been blocked. But do take note if their phone is simply turned off or out of battery, or even on airplane mode, the delivered status right here will also temporarily disappear until they turn their phone back on. I hope that's clear. Another way to check if you've been blocked is that when your past messages was blue or iMessage enabled, okay, and now you see it turned to green, well, your iPhone senses that the iMessage connection is being refused by their device and tries to force it through your cellular carrier as a standard SMS text instead. Another option, you could go ahead and try to FaceTime them, okay? As FaceTime offers a very distinct pattern when an account has blocked your Apple identity. So go ahead and try to place a FaceTime call, and if you've been blocked, the call will appear to ring endlessly on your screen, but the recipient's phone will remain completely silent and show no notifications or missed call banner. All right. So those are the ways to know if someone blocked you on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.